Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you step by step on how to access your AWS Management Console securely. AWS provides a powerful platform for cloud computing, but it's essential to log in safely to protect your account and resources. Step 1. Go to the AWS Management Console login page. Make sure you are on the official AWS site to avoid phishing attempts. Step 2. Enter your account credentials. This includes your root account's email or IAM, Identity and Access Management, user credentials. Double-check for typos and ensure your caps lock key is off. Step 3. If your account has multi-factor authentication, MFA, enabled, open your Authenticator app or hardware MFA device and enter the code when prompted. MFA adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 4. For IAM users, ensure you are using the correct account ID or alias and that your permissions allow you to access the services you need. Step 5. Use a secure device and network. Avoid logging in from public computers or unsecured Wi-Fi networks to reduce the risk of account compromise. Step 6. Consider enabling AWS Single Sign-On (SSO) if you manage multiple accounts. SSO provides a secure and convenient way to access all linked AWS accounts. Step 7. If you encounter login issues, try clearing your browser cache, using a different browser, or contacting AWS support for assistance. Always verify the email notifications from AWS to ensure your account remains secure. Following these steps will help you access your AWS Management Console safely while keeping your account and resources protected. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more useful tutorials.